Hello guys, welcome to the Trading Armour video tutorial. So this is called Trading Armour Automatic TA. So first one is our first indicator here, Automatic TA, and you'll see here there are several different colors, different line, and each lines is worth making you money. So here, easy, blue line, this one, or this one, or this one. It means it's a bear trap. So price is faking downside, but in reality, after why it's printing blue line, because this is a trap. So price will go up, and once again up. It's going right. So and here next, see there is orange line. Okay, so here orange line. This one is a bull trap. So price is trying to go up, but it's a trap. So in reality, then after that it goes down. So it protects you from trapping, which is the basic market traps. So it will like you can make a right moves with trading armor. So another trap, pump, another big one, big trap, and then pump. See, and red line means it's a solid down, solid uh, price push down, so price will dump soon. So price, red line means price is so bearish, and the green line here it means it's bullish, very bullish, bullish. And there are, you can notice several different patterns here, automatic patterns here. This is called cipher. This is cipher 5.0, so which means it is bullish. If the label is green, so price will pump. See, easy, that's easy to read. If the label is red, then price will dump, even though it's a small dump, but still uh, it's enough for like stopping you from making wrong moves. So green label pump, and again green label pump, and then trap dump. See, easy to use. And second indicator right here, it's called ultra instinct. Exactly. So because of its name, it will give you highly accurate signals. And check this out. So red X means price will dump, green triangle here means price will pump, here dump, and then pump. See, and easy to detect. So here the red line on the top here, this one straight horizontal line, it means it's a resistance. Price rejects from the resistance. Green line here is a support, bounce from the support, and when support breaks, it crash huge. And when the resistance break, see, goes up. So well, so here resistance broken, okay, came down to retest. Okay, then we got entry signal right here on the price of 1.05839, and then boom, pump all the way, all the targets hit. Look at the targets, target 1, target 2, 3, 4. See, all targets hit, right? And then price drop, and then continue going up, because there is still green triangle. See, easy to use. So, and then last but not the least, we have this beautiful momentum indicator. So easy to read here. This one, the top line right here, and the bottom line is the same. Okay, notice when this line is same, price will not pump much, or instead it will go down. See here, the line is red from here, this candle, then boom, so much crash. Okay, and then when line turns green from here, price pumps, and here again line turns green, price pump. But these waves are smaller waves right here. See, if it's green, it will go up, red go down, and green go up. Okay, so follow the green wave with the green line, okay, and follow the red wave with the red line. So you don't have to do opposite. Means if there is a red line, you don't have to take green ride. You don't have to ride with the long, with the, you don't have to buy. Okay, don't buy. Wait for the green line, and then when wave turns green, buy. Wave turns green, buy. See, it's pumping. And then wave turns red, don't take green line, okay? And then wave turns green, don't take red line, okay? Easy, easy to use. So follow the colors, follow the signals, you're good to go. And last but not the least, we have these stars. These stars works great with Heikanashi. Switch to Heikanashi candle and then wait for this entry sign, boom, upside move. This is a dump predictor. This is a bottom predictor. So after this candle, we are very close to the bottom, as you can see, very close to the bottom. Then boom, up here. It was very close to the bottom right here. Boom, up. So these stars entry signs are amazing. See, enter signal again, and then huge bump to the upside. So that's how we use Armour. Easy to use, guys. And don't forget about the premium group. Visit the website and check out the premium group. If you want more accurate, like 200, 300%, 400% profit, join the premium group. And this is a complete package and enough for you to make money. So that's it for now. See you later. Bye.